We can literally go from one job, on the way to the next job, we can adjust it to the next height via the app. So we've ended up being far more efficient on time, diesel saving, and the safety element of not having to climb on the machine, under the machine to adjust it. My name's Malcolm Weaver. I'm Managing Director and owner of MW Agri Limited. We're a large area grass management company working on sites from polo pitches through rugby, football, down to public places, public parks and large domestic estates. Before Opti-Adjust, we used to adjust the machine manually, which can take 15 to 20 minutes per adjust. On our circuits, sometimes you would have to adjust the machine 3 or 4 times in a day. We used to adjust the machine to one height, spend our circuit doing all those heights, then the next thing adjust it again and go and do another circuit with the same heights. The time saving, it's amazing. You know, I'm recording now some circuits that the other day I was back an hour and a half earlier. That's the time saving of the day, which is another job. Well, if you add up 4 adjustments in a day, you can save anything from an hour to an hour and a half. And fit another job into the day, thus saving time throughout the week. And fuel. When the machine arrived brand new, Trimax came to the yard, everybody rallied around, very supportive, set the machine up, set the app up, and it's so easy to use on any device. I have set some preset heights, which makes the job even easier when you're going along the road, or you leave a site, just bring up the preset list, give them all a name. We've got amenity, cricket, polo, whatever, hit the button, and while you're driving along the road, it adjusts the correct height. Having the millimetre perfect adjustment allows you to not just be stuck at every 10mm increment, you can adjust it to 35, 40, 45, etc., or even 43 to get the exact cut you want at the site you're at. Compared to the manual adjustment, the Opti-Adjust gives us flexibility to literally produce the cut that we need to not leave too much debris, but also to get the exact cut height we need. Even while you're going along, even while you're mowing, you can raise the height by 5 to 10mm to get the optimum cut. I mow at 2 sites that are literally neighbours. One site is cut at 50mm and one site is cut at 30mm. I would tend to do all the 30mm jobs, drive away from the neighbour's property, do another 30mm job, come back, readjust it, put it to 50. Now I literally drive out of one driveway while it's adjusting from 30 to 50mm, drive in the other driveway, do the job straight away while I'm there, thus saving time and fuel. The Opti-Adjust is very low maintenance like the whole machine is, so really and truly, the same time we grease the PTOs, we grease the gearboxes on the Opti-Adjust. It's simple, 2 grease nipples on each gearbox, very quick, very simple, and with the 0 maintenance on the spindles and the roller bearings, you can easily have the whole job done in 5 minutes. It's a contractor's dream, and also the likes of councils, because the Opti-Adjust offers the flexibility of height adjustment on the move. You make your mowing more efficient for councils and anybody across the board. The safety side of it, that you're not crawling underneath or over the top of the machine to adjust it. The Opti-Adjust is the perfect combination. You know, at the end of the day, any time you save and any fuel you save in this day and age, it's just all more efficient, which, as I say, accounts for the investment. The benefits of Opti-Adjust are the time saving, fuel saving, adjust on the move, the low maintenance, and the millimetre perfect adjustment. If you're changing heights more than twice a day, it's a no-brainer.